Yes, see here, flower is modified reproductive shoot of a plant. Simple, this is the definition of the plant. What the flower is. What the flower is. As per definition, flower is modified reproductive shoot. Modified reproductive shoot. This is not the simple shoot, this is modified shoot. The shoot which can give a new plant. The shoot which can give a new plant. So for structure of the flower is concerned, this flower is composed of four main parts. Structure of the flower point of view, this flower is composed of four main parts. The first part of the flower that is known as calyx. And then second part of the flower that is known as corolla. Second part of the flower that is known as corolla. And then third part of the flower that is known as androecium. Third part of the flower is known as androecium. And then fourth part of the flower that is known as gynoecium. So there are four parts of the flower. That is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. This calyx is represented by K in floral formula. This is represented by K. Corolla is represented by C in floral formula. Then androecium is represented by A in floral formula. And then this gynoecium, it is represented by G in floral formula. Getting me? So there are four parts of a flower. Which one? Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Then you see, calyx is what? What is calyx? Calyx is the group of sepals. Then corolla is group of petals. Then androecium, it is the group of stamens. And then gynoecium, it is group of pistils. And you can see sepals are green in color. The color of how you can recognize this sepal. How you can recognize from this flower. It is a flower. How you can judge which one is sepal, which one is petal, which one is androecium and which one is gynoecium. You can first of all you can judge these parts by means of the color, especially sepal and petal. So the color of sepal, it is green. Then petal, from color point of view, petals are colored. They are of many colors. Petal can be of what? This can be of red color, this can be of brown color, petal can be of orange, it can be any other color. So uske baad, and then stamen. Stamen is male reproductive part of the flower, and this stamen is composed of two parts. One is called the anther, and second part is known as filament. Second part of the stamen is known as filament. So stamen has two parts here. One is anther and second one is filament. Then this pistil is composed of the female reproductive part. It is composed of three parts. First part is known as stigma. Then second part is known as style, and third part is known as ovary. Rest of the flower structure that will be discussed in the next lecture.